Hello everyone. Today I'm planning to use one of my old canvases to test modeling paste and glue gun to get some 3D effects. Here I'm showing you my old canvases that I plan to use. This For this canvas, I have traced a snail on this adhesive shelf liner. I got this from Walmart. I think you can also get it from any craft store or any home decor store. I think they are very easy to find. So I cut the outlines of the snail and pasted it on the canvas to protect rest of the painted surface. After that, I used glue gun to outline the snail. However, when I removed the liner, it also took out some of the glue gun outlines. So my lesson learned from this exercise was that for next time, I will not be using glue gun alone along the edges of any protective liner if I will use. Um, and following the outlines, I use modeling paste to fill snail's body. So these are the two things I will be trying today, glue gun and modeling paste, and see how um, I can get a 3D effect. Um, Let me know, what do you use to get 3D effects in your art? I look forward to your comments and suggestions. For now, I will let you enjoy the process of making this snail. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, ciao.